Hello. In this video, we show you how to use the Jabra Talk 55. First, charge the headset by placing it in the charging case and then connecting the charging case to a computer using the included USB cable. When the headset and charging case are fully charged, the 3 LEDs on the charging case light up. To check the battery status, place the headset in the charging case and tap the Jabra button located on the bottom of the case. Alternatively, you can tap the headset when not on a call. Green indicates more than 20% battery remaining, and red indicates below 20%. When the headset is removed from the charging case, it automatically turns on. To turn the headset off, simply place it back in the charging case. The headset is worn on the right ear only, like this. When you have an incoming call, you can answer it in one of 3 ways. Remove the headset from the charging case, double tap the headset, or say "Answer." To reject a call, dock the headset in the charging case, or simply say "Ignore." To end a call, place the headset back in the charging case, or double tap the headset. Use the Jabra Assist app for additional settings and firmware updates. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit jabra.com/support.